In the beginning, God created heaven and the earth. Well, we are not here to talk about Bible stories. So let's talk about AI. Yes, that's why we're here. What is AI? All right. From the beginning, man created AI. Of course, AI. So A and I. Let's bring those two words together and dissect them, right? Now, A stands for artificial. So when you hear artificial, it means something that is created by man, meaning something that is not originally created by God. So anytime you're hearing artificial, just know that is something created by man. Then let's talk about the I. So I is the intelligence, right? So what is intelligence? Intelligence is basically an acquired knowledge or information. That's what intelligent means. So when you bring those two words together, it forms artificial intelligence, meaning intelligence created by man. That's basically what artificial intelligence means. So, all right, from this artificial intelligence, let's move to the next big keyword that you always hear people use. Things like model. You hear model everywhere. What is model actually? Model is basically a piece of software created by man and using information to help that software to do its job. That's basically what a model is. So anytime you're hearing model this, model that, just know that model is just a piece of software created by man. And you can say a model is an artificial intelligence. Exactly, it's created by man, which is artificial. And how does the man actually come up with such creation is by using acquired knowledge, acquired information. So let's move to the next tricky part. And you hear this a lot on the internet. I really just want to explain this in the simplest term possible. LLM, large language model. That's LLM. And you hear this thing a lot, and it confuses a lot of non-technical folks. But that's just a simple word for saying a piece of software that utilizes large amount of information, right, by using natural language. Oh yes, natural language. Now I'm introducing another keyword, NLP. I'll skip the P and let's just talk about the NL, which is natural language. So N means natural and L means language, which is basically the English language me and you speak, right? Now, when you hear LLM, what comes into your mind? You'll be thinking about something big, something supernatural. Not really. It's just a large language model. And I explained that a model is a piece of software created by man. So how does this work? And why will I say such? That is actually what it is. All right. So LLM, and we have different kind of LLM, and we basically call it artificial intelligence. And people say, oh, this artificial intelligence, and so on and so forth. So the next thing that I will be pointing at are the LLM that you already know, and probably you must have used one of those things. And what is it? ChatGPT, yes, is a large language model, is an LLM, is a piece of software created by man. That's basically what it is. All right, and you see Claude, Gemini, AI, and so on and so forth. You get different kind of LLM. It's just basically a piece of software created by man using natural language to feed information into the software. And that information helps the software to create a pattern to recognize for himself, so that when you ask him a question, he will trace back that pattern and tell you the answer. That's basically what it is. All right, now, how does this whole thing works? This is where the training aspect come in. And you'll be wondering, what do you mean by training? All right, training is how you take information and feed it to the software and say, these are the information, take this, understand it. And how does he understand it? So they have different way of training a software. So when you're training a software, it now leads us to the next keyword, which is called machine learning. What is machine learning actually? Machine learning is basically you teaching a piece of software about a particular topic. or about a particular thing by feeding that piece of software data or acquired knowledge or information to say this information is this, and you give him a lot of that information in different ways, and to see if this software understands that information. Let me use an illustration of a child, right? We all started from our mother's womb, and one way or the other we grow up after giving birth to us, obviously, and we end up learning a lot of things, and different kids learn different things because of the information, the environment they find themselves, right? That's almost similar to what large language model is a piece of software. So what we human we're trying to do is to mimic this same behavior of a human into a machine, right? Because you get information, your eyes, you use your eyes, your ears, and every other sense organ in your body to learn, to get data, to get knowledge, and that helps you to make decisions, right? And also you use it to recognize pattern, right? I don't want to go deep into that, but that is basically what it is for our non-technical folks. So when you read book or information, that is you learning from that information. So that's what machine learning is for you. Machine learning is basically you taking piece of information and giving it to a piece of software and saying, this is what this information is, you should understand it, try to come up with a pattern so that when I ask you question around that, you can be able to tell me. All right, so let's end this here. I don't want it to get too technical, so we stopped at machine learning, and that will lead us to another key word, right? And in our next video we'll be talking about those keywords. Stay tuned, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do where to click like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.